I felt as if this was important to include in the video, just to actually show you guys the reason why we were replacing this timing belt and water pump. It was basically a small leak from this water pump, which is a testament to Toyota's reliability and dependability and all the other abilities that you can count on. 20 years old and just now started failing, but as you will see in a second, the belt was still perfectly fine. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage, and on today's episode, I want to show you guys how to properly time your 2UZ-FE. Yes, this is that famous engine that you find on many Toyota and Lexus models. This particular one is a 2003 Toyota Sequoia with 89,000 miles. That's right, this is a 20-year-old car, and it's getting its first timing belt replacement. When it comes to putting it back on, your belt has marks for both cams and the crank. You obviously want to line them up accordingly. And again, let's go back down here. You got a little groove, a little dot there on the block. That's lined up. We went ahead, brand new tensioner, of course, idler and idler. And you should, of course, do the same. That's already a telltale sign that you're fine. There we go. As soon as you see the mark lining up, stop, and then we double check all the marks. Always double check. Survey says, let's see. What we got here. There, most importantly, or just as important, guys, with a mirror, this one is very easy to confirm, but as you can see here, you always want to do this, and this one is timed. Furthermore, once your marks are where they should be and your cover's back on, you should of course be on 0 there. So that's another way to confirm it. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to return the favor and smash that like button. If you haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe, as there's always a lot of content like this and much more in this channel. And I do want to take this opportunity to thank you all for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.